Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this number counting effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's just jump into that. So I have opened DaVinci Resolve, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on effects, and then I will go in titles, and in titles I will go on text plus, and I will drag and drop this on my timeline. Once I'm there, I'm going to go to my inspector tab, and in here where I write my text, I will right click here and I will click on expression. This will open this expression tab for me where I can put my expression. So you guys don't need to do anything. I will put the expression in my description. You can copy and paste it here. So I'm gonna paste that as well. And then I will say return. Now, if I play the video, you can see it's working like this. But what I want to do is I want to first of all start it from 0 and end at 1000, and then I don't want this pre and post. I just want to have this symbol of money. So to do that, I'm going to edit this part. So 0 will stay as 0, and here instead of 1 2 3 4 5 6, I'm going to put 1000 and I will enter. Now if I play it, you can see it's ending on 1000. But now we don't want this pre and post. We just want to have this logo of money here. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here on my expression again. I will click on this, and if I cannot move there, what I will do is I will use my right arrow key. And here you can see I have the prefix. So in prefix, I will put that key which I want. So this is what I want, and then I will keep moving and I will remove the post. So this is the post. I'm going to remove that and I will say enter. Now you can see I have money logo and 1000 there. Now what I want to do is I want to change the color and font and everything. So what I will do first of all is I will come here and I will say extra bold, and then I'm going to make it green. I will say okay, and I'm going to go in my shading, and in shading I will go on gradient and I will change it, and I will change the color to green as well. And then I'm gonna bring it right somewhere here. Now if I play it, you can see it's giving you the counter. But what if you want to start from minus? You don't need to go and put minus there. You can just come here. You can edit it this way. So now it will start from minus and it will go towards the plus. And if you want to start from, let's say 50 or 100 or 200, you can literally go on that. So let's say I want to go on 50. There's my 50. So I will cut here. And now if I start it, it will start from 50 to 1000. So this is pretty much it which you need to know about the counter effect in DaVinci Resolve. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this.